Everyone, if you were trading this morning, you know that there was a huge spike in price right here. All right. And with that spike in price, I ate off of that. I don't know if you guys did, but I did. So following the 2-part 3.0 strategy, what I knew very quickly was this. I had fresh 2-par Parabolic Sars is what the par stands for in 2-par. I had fresh Parabolic Sars at the very bottom of price. My biggest MA was heading in a bullish momentum, okay? So although we had a huge drop in price right here at some point, right? This is the 15-minute time frame. I dropped down to a lower time frame. Now let me see if I can go to that. All right. And here was that huge drop in price right here that everybody probably got confused about, right? But I was on the right track because of my 2-pars. My main 2-par, which is the blue, I call that my saving grace, okay? My saving grace, Parabolic SAR, had just loaded up, all right? So also, another key point here is what I have pointed right here. On my 1-minute time frame, I knew that we were towards the end, right? This is the beginning of that run. This is the end. All right. So basically what I did was I waited until I had fresh Parabolic Sars, which were right here, starting off with the red one there. Okay. We had fresh Parabolic Sars there. I had my old Parabolic Sars that was coming jumbled up in the moving averages, so I knew I was towards the end. There's no way I was going to be sitting in a sell right here, although a lot of people got hemmed up right here because they thought that they saw a bearish candle pattern. You cannot get hemmed up just off of the candle patterns. You got to add more to that. You got to look to higher time frames, and that's what I did, right? Based off of my 15-minute time frame, I always knew that because of my huge moving average, the purple one, which is 50 in this case on the 15-minute time frame, I knew it was on a bullish momentum path, okay? Again, I had fresh Parabolic Sars. Guys, I keep foot stomping this because it matters. It matters. So, again, that bearish candle pattern that had happened here, that was null and void to me because of that higher time frame. With that higher time frame, I waited until price came back down, and it gave me rejection, and this is what you see here, right? That's what I'm pointing at, this little stick right here. There was rejection there, okay? And I entered around about the 343, 48, or 50 time frame. So basically, once this new candle formed on the 1-minute time frame, it went down as if it was going to continue to head down, right? But I knew that that wasn't the case. Excuse me. I knew that wasn't the case because of the fresh Parabolic Sars on the 1-minute time frame. So as soon as it went down and it started to head up, I hopped in, and then I hopped in again because it was respecting this to reject level. I call that to reject concept. I had already had my levels set before I started trading, and I saw that price wasn't even, when it came down and acted like it wanted to test that rejection level, it didn't even touch it. So I knew it was going to be a lot of bullish momentum. Okay, so bam. There's several confluences of why I hopped in this. So I'm going to sum it up. Higher time frame. Big moving average headed in a bullish pattern. Price headed in a bullish pattern. Okay, I knew that it was like a, semi-weak bullish momentum at the time due to it coming up, coming back down, touching the same level, right? Going up, coming back down, touching the previous level. Okay, I knew it was going to go back up at least to here and probably come back down, which it did, and it went beyond that. That tried to flip people out. But if you stayed fast and dropped down your time frame, you would have saw very quickly that this little kick that it did right here, this little kick that it did right here was going based off of this old move. Okay, so I knew that, hey, price was getting ready to turn around because I had fresh Parabolic Sars. Not only did I have fresh Parabolic Sars, I had my saving grace, which is my blue Parabolic Sar that had formed. Honestly, the blue one didn't form at that time because this is hindsight, but what did form at the time was the red and the green. And based off of that 15-minute time frame, I knew it was bullish pressure. I saw the rejection a price right here, and then once price came down very quickly here, it didn't even touch the level, so I hopped in at 343.48, and then I hopped in again at 343.50, and it was game on, guys. Okay, and if I go to my group, if you want to go to the group as well, okay, you will see. And when the group I'm speaking of is my Telegram group, 2PAR. Let me see if I can get to it. It's hard for you to see it here because I got the price right here, but it's 2PAR BBKOF. Okay, 2PAR BBKOF right here. TUPAR BBKOF. If you want to follow me, I do offer one-on-one mentorships sessions. Those are $155 for new people, and then $105 for people that have had my session before. So within these sessions, I teach you the strategy. I teach you how I market the charts. I teach you what to look for. I teach you what a great example look like, and then I open the floor for questions if we have time. Typically, these sessions run for an hour, but I am very kind. I tend to allow them to go over just a little bit if I have to, because I really want you guys to get this and understand and have your money's worth, basically. So I know I've repeated myself several times in this video. However, it was very, very important. But remember those summarized overall key points of why I was bullish and not bearish long term. You will see here that I did do a few bearish trades. I did eat off of that. Okay. However, they were very short in nature. I didn't hold them long, and I knew eventually I was looking for bullish buys. Okay, so one love, much love. Oh, before I move on, this broker, I'm not using a broker. I'm actually trading with the prop firm, and that prop firm is Alpha Capital Group. I will be doing a review on that prop firm. On that prop firm very, very soon, and you want to tune in, because I'm telling you right now, that is the prop firm to be. That is where you need to be. They have the best conditions out there right now. I know some prop firms got, they may have great conditions, but they may have consistency rules, or they may have great no consistency rules. However, they got a small drawdown. Okay, so just follow me, and I will get that review out there to you soon. Again, comment, like, share, make sure you subscribe, and I'll chat with you later. Thank you very much for your time.